What if you just speak and Blender creates things for you? No complicated modeling, no endless clicking. Just describe what you want and Claude AI controls Blender for you. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude AI with Blender using Blender MCP so you can create 3D models, edit scenes, add animations, and even render projects using simple text prompts. The entire setup takes only a few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own AI-powered Blender workflow ready to use. Let's get started. The very first thing you need is Claude Desktop. Open your browser, search for Claude Desktop, download the latest version for your operating system, and install it. Once it's installed, launch Claude Desktop. Now we need to connect Blender with Claude. Inside Claude Desktop, click on the Customize or plus icon. Select Add Connector. Click Browse Connectors. In the search bar, type Blender. You'll find the official Blender connector. Click Install. After installation, you'll notice a small link icon beside the Install button. Click that icon to establish the connection between Claude and Blender. Now the Claude side is almost ready. Next, let's prepare Blender. Make sure you're using Blender 5.1 or above, because the latest Blender MCP extension works with the newer versions. Download and install Blender if you haven't already, then open it once. Now we need to install the Blender MCP extension, which allows Claude to automate actions directly inside Blender. Open your browser again and search for Blender MCP. I've added all the required download links in the video description, so you can simply use those. Download the main MCP extension file. Once it's downloaded, don't extract it. Simply drag and drop the zip file directly into the Blender window. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to install the add-on. Click Enable Add-on, then press OK. Let's verify that everything is installed correctly. Go to Edit, Arrow, Preferences, Arrow, Add-ons. In the search bar, type MCP. If the Blender MCP add-on appears, simply enable its checkbox. If you don't see it, drag and drop the downloaded MCP file into Blender once again and repeat the installation process. Once the checkbox is enabled, the Blender side is completely ready. Now let's test the complete setup. Open Claude Desktop again. Click the plus icon. Open Connectors. Make sure the Blender connector is turned on. If it's disabled, simply enable it. Now let's see whether Claude is actually connected to Blender. Type a simple prompt. For example, create a low-poly tree in Blender. If Claude asks for permission to access your Blender project or file path, that's actually a good sign. It means the connection is working correctly. Allow the permission. Within a few moments, Claude starts controlling Blender automatically and creates the model for you. No manual modeling, no scripting, just a text prompt. Of course, the first result may look quite simple. The real power comes from refining your prompts. For example, you can ask Claude to make the trunk thicker, add more branches, increase the polygon count, create stylized leaves, change the materials, scale the tree, add lighting. Claude will automatically perform those actions inside Blender without you manually clicking through dozens of menus. Now let's make the scene more interesting. Instead of a static model, let's add some animation. I'll simply ask Claude, add a falling leaf animation around the tree. Again, Claude performs the setup automatically. It creates the animation, adjusts the scene, and makes everything feel much more alive. This is where Blender MCP becomes incredibly useful, because repetitive tasks can now be handled with simple, natural language. The scene looks great. Now let's render it. Instead of opening render settings manually, I'll simply ask Claude, render the scene. Claude configures the required settings and starts the rendering process for me. Everything happens through prompts. And that's just scratching the surface. You can ask Claude to generate environments, edit existing models, create materials, animate objects, set up cameras, adjust lighting, organize scenes, and automate many repetitive Blender tasks. The better and more detailed your prompts are, the better the results you'll get. Also, different Claude models may produce faster or more accurate outputs depending on the complexity of your project. And that's it. That's one of the easiest ways to automate Blender using Claude AI and Blender MCP. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI and Blender automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.